The minimum number of receptacles in a residential kitchen is determined by countertop and wall space. Firstly, one duplex receptacle is required for every 4 linear feet of countertop space or a fraction thereof. This means if you have a countertop that is 4 feet or less, you need at least one duplex receptacle. If the countertop is between 4 and 8 feet, you need at least 2 duplex receptacles, and so on. Secondly, at least one receptacle is required for every 2 linear feet of floor space along walls. This ensures that no point along the wall is too far from a receptacle. Regarding spacing, receptacles should be placed no more than 24 inches apart along countertops. This ensures that appliances can be easily plugged in without long extension cords. Also, receptacles should be placed no more than 48 inches apart along walls. This maintains convenient access to power outlets throughout the kitchen. Now let's discuss ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI protection. All receptacles within 6 feet of any water source, such as sinks and dishwashers, must be GFCI protected. A GFCI is a device that monitors the current flowing in a circuit. If it detects an imbalance, which could indicate a ground fault, it quickly shuts off the power to prevent electrical shock. This is especially important in kitchens where water is present. Arc fault circuit interrupter or AFCI protection is also crucial. All 120 volt, 15 amp and 20 amp branch circuits that supply kitchen outlets are required to have AFCI protection. An AFCI is a device that detects arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can cause fires. It works by monitoring the electrical current for unusual patterns that indicate arcing. When an arc fault is detected, the AFCI quickly shuts off the power to prevent a fire. There are, however, exceptions to the GFCI and AFCI protection rules. Firstly, receptacles dedicated to specific appliances, such as refrigerators and ovens, do not require GFCI or AFCI protection. These appliances are typically on their own dedicated circuits, and the risk of electrical shock or fire is lower. Secondly, receptacles located within cabinets or drawers do not require GFCI protection if they are not accessible to children. This is because the risk of accidental contact with water or other hazards is reduced. In summary, to ensure electrical safety in a residential kitchen, follow these guidelines. Provide at least one duplex receptacle for every 4 linear feet of countertop space and one receptacle for every 2 linear feet of floor space along walls. Space receptacles no more than 24 inches apart along countertops and no more than 48 inches apart along walls. Protect all receptacles within 6 feet of water sources with GFCIs. Protect all 120 volt, 15 amp and 20 amp branch circuits that supply kitchen outlets with AFCIs. Remember the exceptions for dedicated appliance circuits and receptacles within cabinets that are not accessible to children. By following these rules, you can create a safe and functional kitchen electrical system. It's always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all electrical work is done in accordance with local codes and regulations. This will help prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of your home and family.